Hey everyone, welcome back. So you may have saw this thing a lot whenever you are visiting a website. A pop-up shows over here and tells you to do something, or it gives you some notification or some alert. Well, you can do that in JavaScript with one single line of code, that is alert. So all you need to do is open your site in the browser, and here you need to write alert, and anything that you write over here within here, the message that you write within here will be shown in a box with the alert name. So if I just write warning, too many amazing stuff here, and if I just hit save, you can see here warning, too many amazing stuff here. So this is a very basic alert. You can just click OK and it will go away. If I just reload again, it will show. So anytime any visitor visits the website, this alert will show. So this is a very simple alert that you can do with this alert and with this within these brackets writing a message. So I just wanted to show you guys that you can do this and this is very easy.